Have you ever felt concerned about your retirement because you haven't saved up any money? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's not a pretty picture to be 40 and realize that retirement is approaching fast, but you have nothing to fall back on. I know how life has a funny way of flying by. It feels like just yesterday you were in your 20s, finishing up college, getting a job, and paying off those pesky student loans. And suddenly, you're in your 30s, married, taking care of kids, and dreaming of buying a home. It all happens so fast that one day you wake up and panic sets in. You're 40 now, and you have no retirement plans in place. But let me assure you, this happens to more people than you can imagine. So, don't panic. Your life isn't falling apart as you may think. You can still get it all together, even in your 40s. And guess what? It's never too late to start saving. And I've got some helpful tips for you in this video that will guide you towards a comfortable retirement. By the time you finish watching, you'll be able to sleep well tonight knowing you're on the right track. So let's dive in. First things first, let's start with the right mindset. It's crucial to stay positive and believe in yourself. When you reach an old age, you won't measure your success by how much money you have. Trust me on this, and don't compare yourself to others. Instead, focus on what you can do right now to secure a comfortable retirement. Belief in yourself is such a powerful tool. Nothing crushes a person's zeal to succeed more than a lack of belief in themselves. At this point in your life, you need to be your own #1 fan. It's understandable that the people around you are busy with their own lives, so it's up to you to find the motivation to start planning for retirement. And here's a little secret for you. Many successful people like Barack Obama, Kris Jenner, Vera Wang, and Samuel L. Jackson achieved their success when they were 40 or older. So, whoever told you that life was over at 40 was not telling you the truth. Your 40s can actually be the start of your peak career years, where you earn the most money and gain expertise in your field. So don't let your age hold you back. Embrace it and start believing in your ability to make a difference in your retirement plans. And if you have a family, it's essential to get them on board with your retirement plans. They need to understand why it's crucial for everyone's well-being. Sit down with them and explain the changes that may be necessary. Let them know that certain luxuries may need to be put on hold, but it's all for a greater purpose. Warren Buffett calls these luxuries buying what you want, not what you think you should have. By aligning your family's goals and reminding each other why you're doing this, the journey becomes less daunting. Ideally, you want to keep learning and adjusting. Retirement plans is an ongoing process. Stay informed about investment strategies, financial markets, and changes in regulations that may impact your retirement savings. Continue learning about personal finance and seek professional advice when needed. One of the most important steps towards a comfortable retirement is creating a budget. It's a practical and sensible approach to take when you're serious about planning for retirement. Having a budget helps you see where your money is going and where you can cut down on expenses. It puts you in control of your finances, ensuring that you're making purposeful decisions with your money. Here's how you can create a budget. Track your expenses. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month. This includes everything from bills, groceries, entertainment, dining out, and other miscellaneous expenses. Use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app to record your expenses accurately. Categorize your expenses. Once you have a month's worth of expenses, categorize them into different groups like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, debt payments, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Set financial goals. Determine your financial goals, including how much you want to save for retirement. Set specific targets for saving and investing, and make sure they align with your desired retirement lifestyle. Identify areas to cut back. Analyze your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Look for discretionary expenses that you can reduce without impacting your quality of life. For example, you might want to consider cutting back on eating out or reducing your cable TV package. Prioritize savings. Make saving for retirement a priority in your budget. Allocate a portion of your income specifically towards retirement savings. Consider using retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs, which offer tax advantages and potential employer matching contributions. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or checking account into your retirement savings. This ensures that you consistently contribute without the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Reviewing and adjusting. Regularly review your budget if you're staying on track. Adjust your spending as needed and make sure you're meeting your savings goals. Life circumstances may change, so be prepared to adapt your budget accordingly. In addition to budgeting and saving, exploring investment opportunities can help grow your retirement funds. Here are a few investment options to consider. Employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer offers a 401k or similar retirement plan, contribute at least enough to take full advantage of any matching contributions. This is essentially free money and can significantly boost your retirement savings. Individual retirement accounts. Open an IRA and contribute regularly. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Choose the option that aligns best with your financial situation and goals. Diversified investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversification helps reduce risk and potentially increase returns over the long term. If you aren't sure where to start when investing for the first time, it's best to consult a financial advisor. Consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor who can help you develop an investment strategy tailored to your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Remember, it's never too late to start planning for retirement. By taking proactive steps now and making smart financial decisions, you can work towards a comfortable retirement, regardless of your age. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and take control of your financial future. You've got this.